Guys, we've just been moving to the next spot and there's all this splashing on the water. Oh, it's a jumping crab. Size of that. G'day guys and welcome back. Now the weatherman has absolutely turned it on today. Look at this. The sky's blue, the water is somehow even bluer, and today we've got tropical islands to explore, we've got fish to check out. When the weather is this good, there's just so much to do and so little time. So we're gonna get straight into it, guys. This is gonna be awesome. Check this out. Bloody beautiful day. Wowee. There's this series of blue holes in the reef out here which look just spectacular from the drone. So I've got a little surface lure on. We're going to come up to the rim of these blue holes, cast this around and see if we can have any action. A couple of sharks in this blue hole anyway. Let's see if there's some fish. Nothing. Holy guys, we've just been moving to the next spot and there's all this splashing on the water and there's all these black shadows, and what it is actually a whole heap of manta rays feeding in this current line, but it's just beautiful and clear water, so we're going to jump straight in. This is epic, guys. It's rare you see them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of all different shapes and sizes. They're feeding here. God, look at the size of that. Manta rays about the size of the boat. They're just cruising all around us here and literally swimming underneath the boat as they're feeding. This is epic. Out on these type of adventures, I'll make sure at some point in the morning I have my athletic greens, and what that does is for the rest of the day it just really takes the pressure off, knowing that my body's now got the nutritional values it needs to keep firing at 100%, which is what you need when you're out here. On some previous trips we really relied on just kind of living off the land and the ocean, but the reality is as the weeks rolled into months on those trips, man, the body was just running on empty. Like there's only so much bush tucker you can find in certain areas, and the energy levels really suffered. The immune system really started to suffer. It was at this point that a couple of you viewers actually recommended that we try athletic greens, and mate, thank you. I'm so glad we did, because now it's been about 6 months later and I'm really happy with the results. I've recommended it to all my friends and family, and especially if you live in a busy life or you're out on these adventures, so convenient to just smack one of these in the morning and then it takes the pressure off. You're good to go. So if this is something you're interested in, guys, once again, there's a special offer for all B2B viewers. Click the link in the description to get that. It's going to get you 5 free travel packs plus a year's supply of vitamin D, and there's also a 60-day money back guarantee, guys. So now really is the time to give Athletic Greens a try. Beautiful little flag tail cod, these guys are called, due to the flag on their tail. See you, buddy. A heap of bait fish there. Let's see if there's anything chasing them. Oh, yep. God. Bluefin trevally. Look at him, he's got a mate behind him as well. Woo. Do you reckon he might be plunged? Oh, look at that. Beautiful bluefin trevally. That is awesome. This place is paradise on earth. Can't believe this deep water channel that runs like right up onto this island. There's palm trees overhanging the ocean here. It's bloody beautiful. I've just pulled in the shelter of one of these beautiful uninhabited tropical islands here, and we're going to do a bit of a ceviche style lunch with vinegar. We've got some citrus of lemon, lime, orange, a couple of tomatoes, a couple of crackers for it all to go on. So I'll do that up, and then we're going to go for a bit of a walk and an explore around this island. We've never actually been ashore here, so this should be pretty exciting. Beautiful fresh bluefin trevally. It really doesn't get much fresher than this, guys. We're going to eat him raw, just cooked in a bit of citrus and a bit of vinegar. So he was swimming around living his best life less than an hour ago. Really doesn't get too much fresher than this, guys. This is pretty bloody good. This place is unbelievable. It's honestly the sharkiest place I've ever seen in the world, and nowhere else even comes close. Just from the smell of me rinsing that, there's sharks all around the boat already. Well, this is normally Fran's specialty, but she's not really in the mood for being on camera today, which is fair enough. We all have those days. So I'm on lunch duties. We've got the bluefin trevally cut up really nice and thin, and it's just going to cook away there in the citrus and vinegar. We'll leave this for about 20 minutes while we go for a walk and explore a new island, and then see how it turns out. This place well and truly fits like the definition of a complete tropical paradise. It's like everywhere you look, it's like a postcard or something. It's unbelievable. We're just having a bit of walk, and the water's so clear we can see right into the shallows. So we are spying a few fish. Nothing noteworthy yet, but I think if we catch anything, it's just going to be a bonus. We're just having a bit of a walk around. An hour or so later, and that's the result. The fish is now medium rare-ish. Let's get into it. Yum. Yum. Oh, it looks like we're not the only ones having lunch. Check this out. I've never seen a stack of so many hermit crabs. What are they eating? They're all eating a rotten coconut. Are these bonefish or mullet? They look a lot like a bonefish, but they're just a mullet, unfortunately. There's some rock pools up here that are exposed. Let's go have a look, see what we can find in them. Convenient. Very convenient. Bit of a ledge along there. Might be enough to hold a fish. Oh, something's flying over. Yes! What's this? It's not the biggest fish in the world, but it's exciting nonetheless. Oh, it is a bluefin trevally. How bloody beautiful is that? Check that out. This is just like, oh, I reckon I've honestly had dreams that look like this. Catching beautiful tropical fish in locations like this. Jeez, this is just surreal. Oh, big Trev. Big trevally. Nice bluefins coming flying after it here, guys. There's 3 of them here. Yes, I've got something. Oh, there was 3 nice bluefin trevally behind that. And as I set the hook, I ended up with a cod, a honeycomb cod. Bit of variety off the beach anyway. He'd be big enough to eat if you were camping and hungry, but not today. Off you go, mate. Tell your parents of my generosity. Where are those bluefins? Oh, there they are. There they are. They're just here. I'll burn this really quick across that reef edge. Try to get their attention. They're going it. They're going it. Oh, I think they're too smart for me. You're unique. You're like a cross between a land crab and a ghost crab that hangs out on the beach. Oh, and you've got the testosterone of a giant mud crab. Sorry, mate. Oh, it's a jumping crab. That's crazy. Sorry, mate, I'll leave you be. I'll leave you be. So amazing! Thanks for joining us out there today, guys. It honestly doesn't get much better than that. Mother Nature turned it on today, didn't she? The sun is now just set behind the palm trees here, which means this day is almost done and this episode's over. So yeah, thanks again for coming along for the ride, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We do weekly videos. Hope to see you out here one day.